Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants. We're here, we try to help you make that decision if it's going to stay a want or become a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button. And if you press that bell, which I recommend that you do, it's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox a picture of what the video is about with the title. And if you press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I want to make sure that you guys don't miss out. So I want to tell you about it as well. Also, I do a lot of videos and I do a lot of unboxings as well as deals and going through my stash and things like that. So I don't want you to miss out. So when you see the picture, you'll know exactly what the video is about. So if you press on it, like I said, it acts like a shortcut, but it also will stay in your inbox as a reminder. So if you didn't get a chance, you can watch it a little bit later. I also want to ask you guys to, if you have the opportunity, it's right underneath this video to give me a thumbs up if you have been enjoying my content, because supposedly that helps with the YouTube algorithm. And this way, people that have not met me yet or seen my newer channel, it might send my video to some people that watch these type of videos. So the way that works is if you guys can give me that thumbs up, that helps me out as well. All right, today I'm really excited to share this video with you guys because it is this box called Trendmood. I was one of the first people that got the boxes and showed it to you guys on my website, and I did receive through Instagram that a couple of you were able to get other ones that I introduced you to this box, so congratulations on that. With Trendmood is not a subscription box. I'm hoping that she will set it up soon enough to do that. But if you're not familiar with Trendmood is one of the reasons why I even started Instagram. But what I love about Trendmood is she has access, it's her and her husband, but she has access to all the brands. And if you want to know what's coming out or see swatches, or she is the go-to for, to me, the beauty community. So I really, when I saw on her Instagram, it was about a year ago, that they were thinking about doing a box, I immediately sent an email saying, anything that you're doing, I will support. Please, do it. And a year later, it really took a long time that she decided to do this. But from my understanding is that it isn't a subscription. She doesn't know how often she's going to be coming out with boxes or what the price of the boxes are going to be or what's going to be inside of the boxes. But when she does the box, she tells you what's going to be in the box. She gives you sneak peeks. They then send you an email on the day that the box is coming out, if you do give them your email, and then they give you what they call early access. They changed a lot of things with how they were doing it. Initially on volume 1 and volume 2, I did not have any problem at all. The email would come down, I would go to the website, I would purchase one, and I would check out, and everything was fine. I got that on the first volume and the second volume. On the third one, for some reason, I tried my early access, it didn't work. I tried again a half hour later when it's open to everybody, and I couldn't get it then either. So, like I said, it's really, it's almost like you have to be a little bit lucky too to be able to access this, because the more people that are going to find out about it, the more people are going to want these boxes, because I'm telling you, for me anyways, this is a box that I really look forward to. And when I missed out on the one, which was volume 3, a lot of the items that were in that box were ones that I already had, but I loved being able to show it to you guys on the channel. So I really felt a void when I wasn't able to share that box with you guys. But I was able to get this one, which is what she's calling a takeover box. And then the volume 4, before I started to film today, I was able to get access to that as well. But like I said, one of the boxes I got right away in early access. One of the boxes I didn't get during early access. I got it later with the general people, and then, which I think was this box. And then the third one I didn't get at all. So if Sophie, I know her and her husband sometimes watch these videos. I'm going to show you a couple of things, just that this box didn't come as it got bounced around a bit, but I'm going to show you guys that so you guys will see, you know, as new people that are shipping, that this is what happened. So this is the way the box came. It came a little bit not great, but when we went to open the box, we saw that the box was already opened, but inside the box, everything was pristine. The packaging was all there, the sticker that holds the tissue paper down, which I'll show you. But what I wanted to show, if Sophie's watching, this part here, which is it's a tape that you put on and you make it wet, and then it's supposed to stick to the bottom. This was never made wet at all. So this was completely open. But like I said, when we opened up the box, everything was in the bubble wrap. The seal that they put on was there. It's orange because we're doing the takeover box, which is the Ole Henriksen's box. But Trendmood and her favorite color is purple, so that's why the boxes are usually always just purple. But today we got it with the orange and the purple because she's doing a takeover box where every item inside here is from Ole Henriksen. And she must have a fantastic relationship with him, because in the first box that I received from her, two of one of my favorite products that I use on a daily basis now is from his brand, which is his cleanser and the cream that was a launch there too. So like I said, I think this is a fantastic box. It is hard to get a hold of. I am hoping that they will set it up in some form of a subscription and then maybe have other boxes during the month that you need this type of access to. But the only reason I'm saying that is really, I like to look forward to things. And even with BoxyCharm and Ipsy and the other ones that we receive, even with all the sneak peeks, with the Trendmood box, she's showing you exactly what you're going to get in the box before you even have to make the decision with the price and everything if you want the box. Then you have to just go through the process of the day that the launch is, that you're available to be near a computer and purchase it at that time. So that's the only thing that for me, like I said, I really felt like I missed out. So when I didn't get the one box, but for now, I'm really happy I got this one, and I'm gonna have volume 4 because before I came on, I was able to access that as well. So hopefully if this is something that you guys want in the future, at least, you know, you'll know about it on this channel, and you'll get to know more about the products from this channel too, if the prices of these boxes are a little bit out of your reach right now. All right, so like I said, this box was $59. We got 5 Ole products in here. One of the products that I'm going to start off with is a $65 value. I do open up the box prior to make sure that everything looks okay. One of the boxes is a little bit damaged that I'm going to show just so that if Sophie and her husband are watching, they'll be able to see. And then I take a picture for Instagram before I start playing and opening up everything. So then I put everything back here, set it up on the table so I can go through it with you guys and we can play and open up everything. So one of the products that I was really excited about getting, and this was a $65 value product that was inside this box that is just under 60, is this product here. And the only card that was in here, and usually they have a QR sticker that you could take a snapshot and know more information about the product. So I didn't see that in this box, and there really wasn't any other information except what's on the boxes. So I did go on the website of Ole Henriksen to write down the pricing and things like that. So I'm going to be looking down and sharing that information with you here. But the first product, and everything came with full retail boxes. This is the first item here that we're going to be going through. And this is his Banana Bright Vitamin C Serum. It's supposed to firm, hydrate, and instantly illuminate. And it has 15% of vitamin C. And like I said, this is 1 ounce, and it is a $65 value. And what they wrote here, they're calling it the Banana Bright Vitamin C. It's a serum targeting all the major signs of aging, including dullness, fine lines, wrinkles, dark spots, and uneven texture. And like I mentioned, it has 15% vitamin C. It has also PHA and hyaluronic acid. And they're making a claim where you'll have brighter, bouncier skin in 7 days. And now that I have his other creams as well as his cleanser, I'm going to try to use this as a regimen for at least a couple of weeks, if not the whole month, because it's very hard. I have not put down that cleanser. I've got so many other cleansers I need to try. And the vitamin C, it smells like fresh squeezed oranges first thing in the morning on your face. It's something I'm reaching for every single day. So what they wrote here on the card, it says, tell dullness to bounce with a new Banana Bright Vitamin C Serum. And it's powered by 20% acid blend, 15% vitamin C, and 5% PHAs. It has hyaluronic acid, banana powder inspired pigments. The benefits are it's going to target all major signs of aging, dullness, fine lines, wrinkles, dark spots, and uneven texture. It's going to hydrate. It's going to bring instant radiance to the entire complexion. So this is what the bottle looks like here. It comes with a pump, and it's that gorgeous orange color, similar to his cleanser. Has that same fantastic aroma, and it is drinking in my skin. It is just beautiful. Oh my God. The aroma alone, but what I'm telling you is I'm definitely seeing results just from the cleanser and the one cream. So the fact that I have a whole regimen here, I'm really excited, because how I used to always purchase my skincare was either going to a drugstore, not a drugstore, a department store counter and working with, you know, the salesperson there and going through the line, or on the QVC-HSN type of channels where you get to actually meet the owners, and they usually have bundles of their products. So I never used to play with a cleanser from this brand and a moisturizer from that brand. I used to use the whole regimen. And I really think that if you have the opportunity, which I'm gonna have now, I'm really excited to see what those benefits are gonna be when you stick with one brand. I get boxes. So because I get the boxes, I'm dabbling in this and dabbling in that and testing this and testing that. But when I find a serum or a cleanser that I absolutely love, I really use it to the end before I start the next one. So like I said, I'm really excited to have the opportunity to try this. Okay, the next item in here was one that I wanted, and it is the Banana Bright Face Primer. And this one was the box that came where the bottom was totally ripped off and crushed a little bit. But that was the only problem inside the box. And then this is the primer here. And it's ironic because I was going to be purchasing this, and then when the box came, I was really excited. So this is a $38 value. And this says it is an illuminating face primer with banana powder inspired pigments that delivers instant radiance while improving and extending your makeup wear. And it also has that little pump. I'm going to put a little bit here, and it also has that same fantastic scent. And that's why I wanted to get the primer. After I got spoiled with his cleanser, that aroma first thing in the morning, and the fact that it has that color to it, I thought would really help. Besides all the benefits that it's going to give, but just that instant radiance and that instant coloring, I think would be really nice as a primer on the skin. So I'm really excited to try that. The next item that we got also came in a retail box. Everything else perfect. And it is the Banana Bright Eye Cream. It's a vitamin C and a collagen blend. That's what it looks like here. And this is a $39 value. And it says that it will target the signs of aging, reduce the look of dark circles while improving concealer application and wear. So that's an absolute win. So also comes with a seal, and that's what the product looks like inside. I'm just going to take a little bit that's on the cover here. And it also has that, that banana color, which is always the last step that I do when I finish my makeup. I always put a banana powder right underneath my eyes just to give me that little bit of brightness. So the fact that I'm going to be able to have that before I even start with the concealers or the correctors, I'm excited to see if this is going to make a big difference underneath the eyes. So really excited to have that as well. And like I said, that's a $39 value. The next item that I have here came in a green box. This is the item that says it is a cold plunge pore mask. It will deeply purifies pores and reduce oil with clay and snow lotus extract. This is 3 fluid ounces, and everything here is full size. This is what the product looks like here. It has a safety seal on it. I'm just going to peel it back, and it has a gorgeous blue tinge to it, like an aqua blue. So this will be a lot of fun to wear as a mask, because most of my masks are either that dark green or the charcoal masks. So this is going to be a lot of fun to use. Really happy with that. So this is a $38 value, And what is marked here, it is a detoxifying cooling clay mask that instantly reduces the look of pores, smooths skin texture, and will control oil all day. So really, really excited like that because I am a combo girl. So really, really happy to try that. And I love the color. All right. The last item that was in the box is in this blue container. And this one says it is Glow to OH. It's a dark spot toner. It's supposed to target dark spots, fine lines, and wrinkles. The skin texture with high potency AHAs. And this is 6.5 fluid ounces. So that's what it is here. It looks like it's a toner. And what it says, it's to supercharge with high potency AHAs to reduce the look of dark spots. And this is a $29 value. So really, really excited to have an opportunity to try this too. So like I said, I have the cleanser, I have the heavy moisturizer, I now have the eye cream, the primer, a mask, and a toner. So as far as I'm concerned, this is a regimen that I'm gonna try to stick with for at least 2 weeks, if not the whole month, because knowing me, I like to use products once I start the regimen that I try to use it all the way through. And if for sure, within 7 days, I see the results that they're saying is clinically tested for, I'm sure this is one that I will be able to stick to. So wanted to share all that with you guys. Like I said, I am so impressed with Trendmood, with the box, without the box, just with the information that she gives us access to. I really, really enjoy. And I want to make sure that on my channel, you guys are able to see information. If you're not able to get the box, at least you'll be able to learn more about the products that she feels are entitled to be in her box. So congratulations to Trendmood on this takeover box. I am very, very excited for your volume 4, which is her fourth box that you will be able to also see on this channel. Very happy that I was able to get access to that. So if you are not subscribed to my channel, I really hope that you will choose to. It is so simple and it's free. It's that red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Like I said, I do upload a lot, and I want to make sure that whatever information that I have to share, that you guys have access to. But more importantly, I want to tell you that I do appreciate that you've taken the time to spend your time with me. So thank you for that. And I'll see everybody in my next video. Bye for now.